Manual code reviews slowing you down? Missing critical bugs in Python or Java pipelines? Existing tools just can't grasp the context of your ML models? This skill gives you NLP powered code analysis for Python, Java, and JavaScript, semantic bug detection using AST parsing, API/webhook integration for GitHub Actions, optimization suggestions with vector embeddings, and CI/CD native design patterns. For AI engineers, ML practitioners, DevOps leads, and tech leads drowning in technical debt, say goodbye to all-nighters and hello to automated code wisdom. Here's what's inside the Building AI Code Review Agent skill. NLP-powered analysis for Python, Java, and JavaScript. Semantic bug detection using AST parsing and control flow graphs. API/webhook integration for GitHub Actions and Jenkins. Optimization suggestions with vector embeddings and code diffs. Expert instructions for prompt engineering with Llama 3 and Mistral. Code templates for Dockerized deployment. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool, it's your 24/7 code quality copilot. Installing the Building AI Code Review Agent skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-ai-code-review-agent. That's it. Downloads the complete skill with expert level guidance, code templates for LangChain integration, and CI/CD manifests. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows semantic code analysis, AST parsing, and prompt engineering for bug detection. No PhD required, just paste the command and watch the magic happen.